Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about slope-intercept form. So let's look at our slides. Okay, slope-intercept form, a linear equation is in the slope-intercept form when it is written in the form of y equals to mx plus b. So as you can see, b is the y-intercept and m is the slope. So we have three examples: y equals to 2x plus 5, y equals to 1 over 2x plus minus negative 3, and y equals to 3 over 2x plus 0. I know you cannot see the whole 2 in here because of my captioning, but this is a 2. So in all these three equations, this is the slope. 2 in the first equation, 2 is the slope, and the second one, 1/2 is the slope, and the third one, negative 3 over 2 is the slope, while on the first equation 5 is the y-intercept, negative 3 is the y-intercept on the second one, and 0 is the y-intercept. Let's look at some other slides. Okay, slope-intercept of a form of a line. So as I told you, let's look at this. So in order to make an equation in slope-intercept form, we must isolate y, and m will be the slope, and b will be the y-intercept. Okay, what is the equation of the graphed line? Let's look at the graph. Some part of a little bit of the graph is not in my screen, but you will see it. So this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. These are our points in the y-axis: positive 1, positive 2, negative 1, negative 2. And these are our points in the x-axis: 1, 2, 3, 4 in the right side, and the left side: negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, now we got a graphed line. We want to find the equation of this line. We want to find the equation of this line. So how we can find it? I told you the equation should be in the form of y equals to mx plus b. So b is the y-intercept. What is the y? Whenever the graph, this line, touches the y-axis, that will be our y-intercept. So where does the line touches the y-axis? Our graphed line touches the x-axis at -1. So b equals to -1. Keep that in mind. And also the slope. So let's look at the trend. It has a trend. Let me see if I can get my, I don't think I can get my highlighter or pen in here. So I'll just show you in here. So if I start from here, if I go up 1, 2, 3, the line comes in, the line will go to the right in here. So whenever it touches a solid line, that will be the slope, at a solid number, I mean. So our graph touches the y-axis in here. If I go up 3 points, 1, 2, 3, it touches a solid number in here again, which is +1. So our slope should be 3 over 1. Let's look at the next slide. Let's see what's going on. Why it's not moving. Oh, it is. See, so it's going up 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and it's going to right what point? 1 point. Okay, so we don't need this area of the graph anymore. So what is b equals to? And what is m equals to? B is the y-intercept and m is the slope. Let's see. B is -1. See? Whenever the line touches the y-intercept, that is the y-intercept, -1. And our slope is 3 up. 1, 2, 3. And 1 point to the right. Both of them are positive. That's why whenever we have negative number in here, either this goes down or this goes to the left. So that is that's when we will have negative numbers. Okay, so now I got B and M, which are the slope. This one is this is the y-intercept, and M is the slope. I can get the equation now. Y equals to m of x, m times x, 3 over 1. I got m. Make sure. So this is m, and I have b, -1. We can just replace m and b with these numbers, and we can get our equation of the graph line. There's no need to have a 1 in the denominator, so we can just write it as y equals to 3x plus -1, or we can write it as y equals to 3x minus 1. Okay, let's look at I will just work with an example with you guys. Which of these three best represents the equation of the graph line? Let's look at the graph line first. Wow, so we got a graph line in here. So the very first thing we need to look at is the y-intercept. What is where does this line meets touches the y-axis? It touches right here. This is the only point that that our graph line touches the y-axis. So this is -1 as our y-intercept. So this equation is already excluded because this is negative y-intercept and here is -2. So we don't need to keep this one. So our answer will be either this one or this one. Let's look at some. Okay, so I already exclude this one because y-intercept in here is -2, while our line touches the y-axis in -3. Let's look at the next one. Y-intercept is -3 and the line goes 2 up, 1 right. Let's see. 1, 2 up, 1 to the right. It looks like 1 be it right. Let's look at this one. It says the y-intercept is -3. The line the point goes 1 up, 2 to the right. 1, no, so it goes 2 up. Okay, I told you that our answer is B because the y-intercept is -3 and the line goes 1, 2 up, 1 to the right. 1, 2 up, 1 to the right. 1, 2 up, 1 to the right. Got it? Okay. So there's another one. I'll just, for this one, you'll just go over quickly. Where's my cursor? Okay, where does the graph touches the y-axis? At -1. So our b will be -1. So this is A is already excluded. It's either this one, B, or C. How does the graph moves? It goes 1 up, 1, 2 to the left. 1 up, let's start from here. 1 up, 1, 2 to the left. 1 up, 1, 2 to the left. So it should be 1 up, 2 to the left. This negative belongs to this 2. Let's see what. Okay, so this is the description of each equation, and our answer is, got it?